Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to increase an image size in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. I'll increase this image size. Click on this home option. Now select this edit option and select image option and click on this image and press shift key for a moment keyboard and put your mouse cursor here and increase. You can increase this image remaining same ratio and see this. Also you can increase this image size customly this way and also click on this arrange option. You can see this image wide and height. I'll make it 400 wide and height 300 and see this. You can increase this image size. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.